Morning, everybody.
We're going in car or scooter.
You put your scooter inside the car.
Okay.
May test ako bukas. Go in the car, please.
Okay.
Kung iniisip, nainis ako sa aking papa. Lagay lang tayo nitong P.
I can share my dog.
Yeah, but wait, this one. It's really cold, anak. I thought it's sunny, but it's cold. It's freezing.
It's cold but it's sunny.
Huh?
It's cold but it's sunny.
Yeah. Move that bag a little bit. Did you do yours, Danny? Nainis ako sa aking papa ba? Okay. Oh, JJ.
Yeah.
Di ba last time, padala ako ng money.
I forgot my purple gear.
That's okay. Where is it? Where did you put it?
Johnny,
Do you want it?
She does need her gloves.
Does she want it?
I don't know.
Do you want your gloves or no? Where did you put it?
In the house?
Where in the house? Ay, naku ni mo, Inday, oy. Grabe kalamig pag ganito, oh. Pag blue sky, tapos di pa summer. Anong oras na tayo? 8:30 na. I need my seatbelt. Nainis ako kay Papa. Uy, I don't see your gloves, anak. Let's look for it tomorrow. Hey! Where house? But where? What room? In daddy's room? Your room? Ayaw pa man ni siya gasulti, uy. Bata na ito, uy. If you want it, you should look for it ahead of time. Kay we're late now. If it's traffic. Suko na ko ba?
Oh, she should put it somewhere.
I don't know where did she put it. If she wanted, she should put it ahead of time.
What is ahead of time?
Just looking for it now that we're leaving. Drive ta nga, high blood ta. Lago trabaho ko sa imong lulo na.
Also, Mommy, where did you find it yesterday?
What?
Your gloves. Jenny's gloves.
It wasn't yesterday. It was the other day. Inis ako kay Papa, kay Kuan. Early in the morning, nag-ano ako? What?
The one that gives us ice cream when we go back in the house. Oh.
Di ba nagpadala ako sa kanya last time? Nagtawag dito. Sabi, kay may sakit nga, nagdiabetes. Yeah, walang thank you. Wala nang thank you. Ngayon,
I like this car.
like this car?
Yeah. And you give this car to us again.
Daddy bought it lagi, oy.
Mommy, what's the parent? Not parent, but isn't that friend?
Tapos ngayon, tawag na naman ang tawag. May text na naman na sa aking kapatid. Kasi ako, nung sa inis ko sa kanya ba, last time nagpadala ako, walang thank you, wala man lang. See, it's traffic. Ito yung ayaw ko. Kung mag-early dahil pag ganitong oras mag-rush kami. Hindi namin alam yung traffic dito.
Yeah.
Nantok pa man ako, oy.
Jenny.
sa likuran. Gusto niya yung purple gloves niya. Tapos hindi ko mahanap sa loob ng bahay.
It's beautiful way.
Si Pap, asa naman po eh. Hindi ako makakuan, concentrate. Yun na nga, si Papa, di ba? Nag-complain ako last time dahil nagtawag, nagbigay na ako the first time. The second time, nagbigay ako dahil business nga daw, business. Ngayon, naisip ko na parang inaalibay niya lang always na iniisip ko, inaano yan siya, inuutusan yan siya ng kanyang kabit. Dahil yung kanyang kabit is nasa kulungan. Magkasama sila uy sa kulungan. Yes? What? Yeah. Kaya iniisip ko, ginagawa nila ako sponsor. Oh, last time nagsabi-sabi na mag-business daw siya. Ngayon, nag-text sa aking kapatid, siya sa aking kapatid. Ayan, sabihin mo sa yung kapatid, if okay lang, magpa-check up na ako. Monthly siguro yung gusto niyang pa-check up para monthly ako magpadala doon sa kulungan. Feeling ko, inaanuhan yan siya. Sinasabihan ng kabit na dapat mag-alibay-alibay siya. Ako kasi naaawan ako the first time, second time dahil nga meron siyang diabetes. Hindi man lang ako naisip dito na ako ay buntis. Mayroon din akong bills. Bills lang nila yung iniisip. Wala nga silang bills sa kulungan. Naisip ba kaya ako kung meron akong bills dito? Ano ako, uy, nainis ako. Tawag daw siya ng tawag sa aking kapatid. Sabi ng aking kapatid. Kasi hindi blinak ng aking kapatid. Kaya nag-aantay daw siya na mag-thank you. Ganun ba? Naantay niya na mag-thank you. Pero wala yung thank you last time na nagpadala ako. Sabi ko sa aking kapatid, sabihin mo siya wala akong pira. Sabihin mo sa kanya na napuno na ako ng utang. Kasi pagtuo siguro nila, pag nandito tayo sa abroad, dami-daming pera. Behave mo dia ha. Ang swerte-swerte nila ba sa kulungan? Hindi man tayo makasabi na swerte yung buhay sa kulungan. Dahil wala man silang freedom, tapos choice man yan nila kung bakit sila nandun sa kulungan. Pero akalain nyo, ganong amount ng money. Parking muna ako dito. Diretso maubos.
Here is the chicken nugget name. Chicken nugget, yeah. No, jiga-diga-daga-dago. I've been mama.
Ay, nakatunong si Inday ang andito na kami. Tapos ngayon, gusto na naman, tinatiming baya gyud na pagting salary ko na nawi. Doon pa mag-message.
No climbing on chairs. I'm not.
What's the time now? Ang ingay nila sa loob. Ang inyong Inday nagyaw-yaw in the morning.
Mommy, you know there's a time on this.
Is it?
On this.
8:38. Sabi ko nga, nawala silang bills, wala silang bayarin doon. Go, get out na be. Maybe gusto nila ng money kaya gusto nila magbili-bili ng soft drinks, ng mga kung ano-ano. Pero, alam niyo ba? Hay! Wala silang wala silang binabayaran ng mga kung ano-ano mga bills. Kasabaan ng mga kuan-oy bata. Scooter be. May nagsabi nga sa akin na Inday, anything na need ng yung papa, ibigay mo na kay baka daw kuno mawala na siya sa mundo, magsisi ako. Pero okay man siya, oy. Okay pa man siya. Every time bita mag-talk kami, no? time bitaw no, nung nagtawag siya last time, di nga siya nag-ingon kamusta yung aking mga apo, kamusta ka? Wala. Hindi man ako yung hindi ako yung kailangan niya. Hindi kami ng mga bata. Careful there. There will be a car. Iba yung kailangan niya kay sinusulsulan nga yan ang kabit niya. Kay di ba last time, yung kabit niya nandun sa kanyang tabi. Nagtawag niya kay di man siya marunong mag-messenger. Nandun siya sa tabi, yung kabit sa ni Papa. Kay nakulong man silang dalawa. Where's your bag? Ayun ang nangyayari ngayon. High blood ako na-high blood ako. Luod lang ako ba yung makuha ng akong malagot po ko sometimes kay yung kabit man yan. Hindi yan siya magkaganyan kung wala liyang sulsul sa kabit. Feeling ko inaanuhan niya ng kabit niya. Inuusutusan ba na maghingi ka na naman ng money doon. Tapos hati sila no. Kaswerte ng kabit. Pagpadala ako ng money doon sa kulungan, hati sila. Kaswerte ng kabit. Ako nang bumubuhay sa kanila. Nasa kulungan sila ba? This Jessica, oh. Dito na kami dumaan. Doon sana ako mag-park malapit sa school. Pero hindi ako sure, uy. Baka traffic naman mamaya. Diyan na lang. Sanay na kasi ako dyan. May exam baya ako ay bukas. Pray for Inday Iljen. Nagyaw-yaw Inday Iljen. It's okay. It's safe. Oh, swerte kayo ang kabit ni Papa. Hindi nga nagdemand si Mama sa akin na si Mama nagpaaral sa akin. Sila ba magdemand-demand ng pira sa akin? Galit yun ako. Okay, go. Ganda tignan no, blue sky pero sobrang lamig ay. Kala ko late na kami ng mga bata. Madali tuloy ako. Don't go there, anak. It's dirty. What's dito? What's the time? 8:42.
Them or in front of them.
Yeah.
Then it's full.
Oh no, it's not nice if it's full. Tawag nito, oy. Si Papa kasi parang last time, pangalawa akong nagbigay. Ilang thousand yun, guys. Oh. Akalain nyo, nasa kulungan, ma-spend niya yung ganun kalaking money. Tapos ngayon, magkuan-kuan na naman sa akin. Hindi ko man kasi yan. Ambot, oy, iwan ko, obligasyon ko pa ba yung aking papa, oy? Kaya mayroon pa akong kapatid. Mas malaki pa yung allowance niya sa kapatid ko doon sa Pilipinas. Ang kapatid ko na nurse, hindi nagdi-demand. Siya naman hinoon mag-demand sa akin. Hindi kaya magkumusta sa kanyang mga apo. Mas mabuti pa nga kayo kay makumusta nyo sila Jessica at Jenny. Pero itong lolo nila, kumusta ba di ay? Wala man na nagkumusta sa kanila. Walang pakialam. Iba na kasi yung utak ni Papa. Oy, hindi na yan siya ang aming Papa dati. Nakilala ko. Na-influensyahan na ng masamang. Go there. They're not there na. The people that waves. I think they're still sleeping, yeah, because it's a nice day. Oh. Are they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mas mabuti na din doon tayo nagpark na. Uy, para meron kayong exercise. Last time kasi pagtawag ko, ganun ang kabit ni Papa. Oh. Sabihin mo na kay Ia kung anong gusto mo. Yes, it's okay now. It's safe. Ginaganon niya. So sa isip ko ngayon, inaanuhan na naman yan ngayon na dapat mag-contact ka na naman doon. Wala na kasi, oy, kay bakit? Ayaw ko na ganunin ako pagkatrato. Nang abusar ba? The first, second time okay lang dahil meron ng sakit daw, diabetes. First time, dahilan niya mag-business. Asa na may business? 5,000. Tapos ngayon, ang dahilan ni Papa, payag ba ako magpa-check up daw siya? Pwede da yun magpa-check up sa prisuhan, sa kulungan? Baka magpa-check up silang dalawa, maghati-hati yan sila sa pinadala ko. Grabe nga yung paniningkamot ko mag-vlog para meron kaming money dito. Kaya hindi pwede lahat. Iasa ko na lang kay Wayne. Ulaw sad no. Nakakahiya naman kay Wayne. Tapos sa aking mga anak, kinagawa ko lahat para sa kanila. Mag-out kami. Ganun, magdidiman ba yung mga bata? Di ba isipin ba na, ay may pamilya na yung anak ko, buntis pa. Bigyan pang problema. Stressful kayo guys. Promise. Sobrang stressful yung aking buhay. Buti na lang, may YouTube no? Kay may YouTube, naka-share ako ba? Saan naman na imong buhok? Go there now then. Ay. Maga pa pala tayo anak, oy. Akala ko late na kami. 8:47, 8:50 man mag-open yung kanilang school ni JJ. Andito na kami sa school ni JJ. Where you wanna go? That is wet, the tree. That way or this way?
That way.
Okay.
So I can see it's a bend.
Yeah? Okay. Go now.
Okay.
Neighbor namin yung nag-cross.
Please now.
Salamat sa inyong mga advice ha. Magbabasa ako ng comment. Dahil alam ko magaganda yung inyong mga advice ng vlog ko na ito. Basa ako ng comment after ko mag-publish ng vlog na ito. Yeah? Kaya last time nag-advise yun din kayo sa akin. Makakatulong ba yung mga comment section no na sa mga advice? Makakuan ka, maka-learn. What dirty?
Jenny was making their food dirty.
Is she? Just be careful anak, cause there's people oh. Be careful ba kay there's people o kuan. Yung mga bata apod oy. May baby na tayo soon. Gusto ko ng ganyan o maliit lang na ano ba pang baby newborn na pram. Easy lang dalhin. Iwan ko bitbitin lang siguro nakin ang baby oy kugusin ba. Kargahin. Oh it's broke. Hinakay it's open now oh.
It's not wet.
No, it's not.
Bridge going over the river.
Where are you going, guys?
Misto. Why does Jenny think it's Crystal Aquarium?
I don't know. Why did you think that?
Because when last time she came to Bristol, she...
Alright.
Mommy?
Yeah? Hello, nagbiyahe na naman kami. Alis naman kami today. Nandito kami sa pinakamahabang bridge.
I like this bit.
Do you?
Yeah.
It's nice. Honey?
Mummy went over the water. The one side of the water is Wales and the other side of the water is England. Let's have a bird poop or something drop off the bridge.
Bridge. Water. Nasa England ang inyong Inday today. Meron akong importanteng gagawin dito. Andun sila Wayne at mga bata. Doon sila naka-parking. So dito ako pupunta. First time ko pumunta dito. Lalakad lang ako tapos punta tayo dyan sa loob. I hope merong mag-open dito no. Kay kahiyo na kay ko. May nakita ako ba na magpa-picture daw yun si ma'am. Hindi ko na siya makita. Hala, I'm done. Tapos na ako sa aking exam. Naiiyak naman ako. Ang saya ni Inday ninyo. My goodness. Char, OA kay kaday. Wala naman si ma'am, oy. Medyo stricto din sila dyan sa exam. Hi! I'm here!
Did you know the questions?
Guess what? I passed!
Did you pass?
Yes!
Oh my god, man. How did you know?
It's in my kuan email.
Already?
Honey. I'm crying.
Oh.
I'm crying, honey.
Sit down, JJ. Oh, man.
Why? You're stressed
Oh, I've
though.
been stressing for days. And I'm trying to show it, but...
See? Congratulations. This is certify you that you have reached the level required.
Thank God. Did you know the questions then?
Indefinite to live to remain. Oh my gosh, honey. Naiyak ako. I want to see here. And you see?
Mommy?
Yes?
But Daddy didn't talk to me.
Why?
Because
She's been a moaning Myrtle, Mummy.
What happened?
She's like moaning.
Oh, it's okay. We can go now. Are we still paying there or we're okay?
Okay.
No, I just got another one.
Oh, did you?
Mommy, but you didn't wait for me.
What?
You didn't
I waited
wait
till
for me.
this
Can
expires,
I say
right?
hi?
This expires
Yeah.
on the 26th. So I waited till we stood there at 26. We waited for it to turn to 27. Put the registration number in again. He gives another 30 minutes for free.
All right.
30 minutes for free.
Let's go.
So we're all right.
Where are we going?
And I paid the other one.
Yeah?
Mommy, you're allowed to.
Mummy.
Oh my gosh,
Oh my
honey.
gosh, Mummy.
Are we allowed?
The stress.
stress
When
of
I
it.
open it, it says congratulations.
Did you
Hi.
Thank goodness.
So, Mommy, are you allowed to drive on
Do you
the
want to have a
motorway?
drive in Bristol?
Honey. I'm over. Brang saya ni Wayne. I can call my mom now. You know, I installed all my apps. I didn't answer anything, boya.
Didn't you?
I just focused on study. Because I really wanted to pass before, you know, our application.
Wait, you delete your...
Oh,
What?
I'm so proud of you. That was difficult. Did you know the answers? When the questions were coming up, was you thinking, yes, I know this one?
Yeah. Drive muna tayo dito. Kawawa naman yung mga bata, oy. Yeah, I think there's no P there, anak.
It says turn right, but how can I turn right? It's over and then right, is it?
I think over and then right. There's right
Over
here.
here
See?
then. And then right. Ah.
The roads is difficult, no? Nag-take kong exam today. Nag-take na kong exam. Nakahila ko ba? Hindi na ako magsaba. Mag-chat lang tayo. Thank you, ma. Bye-bye. Hold here, anak. Nalak ko ba yung sasakyan?
So sit down a minute while I just order the food.
There, oh, honey, in the kuan. Bottom.
Somebody already in there, Mummy.
Oh,
The bag.
this?
Oh, he's going. Oh, he's going. Come on then.
Mommy, you can call your phone.
Yeah, you can charge your phone there.
Are you going to the toilet? Do you need Benny to go with you? Or shall I wait here while you finish in the toilet?
Okay. Come here. Jennifer. Jenny. Okay. Uy, ang music.
Is this girl?
That's not cold. Just press it. There you go.
Is it hot?
I don't know.
It's fine.
Panti na ko. Natarong mo. Dan? Mamister. With daddy lang.
Jesse, can sit
Daddy's
by
ordering.
I can sit with you. You can sit by here. No.
We can sit three of us here. Jenny.
I can sit by Daddy.
Oh, you want sit by daddy? Okay. Muna kami dito. Kaya nagutom naman kami. Ako yung nag-drive kanina sa motorway.
Daddy.
Doon sa Kuan, England.
Well, I got away.
Right, we'll order number 52.
Hungry? Hungry? Gutom na itong dalawa. Alam nyo, ilang oras back and forth.
Like 56.
Yeah.
Bye.
Have tropical.
Wow, foodies.
Sold out.
Look at Jenny, straight to it, honey.
Can I have your phone?
No messing about. Give me my food.
You hungry? No phone, anak. Uy, mag-eat na ta.
Okay.
We will be home soon.
Is
Eat
mine?
na tira. Kain muna kami. Uy, kay gutom. Thank you,
I
honey.
don't like my burger.
Hey, Jessica, keep complaining. Take your jacket off. It's warm. Doon kami nakaparking ay. Andun mo aming sasakyan.
I see a car.
What is it?
Card.
It's a card. Here's your juice.
Card again. Can I try the juice?
Yeah.
Straw, JJ?
What's that? Oh, it's apple one.
They didn't have anything.
We're all hungry. Kain tayo. Huh? It's yummy. The juice? Which one you like, orange or the apple? Apple one?
What's on your burger? Do you want some of these fries?
Let me check if. Okay. Let me put it.
Just don't waste it.
I don't want to. Why is it onion?
You always waste it.
Yeah, you put sauce.
No,
Because
there's a cheese.
I didn't think you was eating it, so it's sauce now.
Stop being so guanay. Okay.
But there's pickle.
Mama? Oh, you still have. How about Jenny? Wow! Oh, blue pag yun. Ayo. Meron akong mga tiniklop dito. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Ano lang ako. Ay, makarelax na gid inyong Inday. Yes?
But where's the crayon?
I don't know where's the crayon. I don't know.
I mean, where the baby twins of her?
It's in their house. She's in the house. She's working, anak. Mag-print ako ng ito, yung aking napasahan sa wakas. Finally. Finally, inyong ay, pestol.
Is this going to do it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. Ano, ilang araw lang ako nag-review sa aking life test. Kaya, ang aking preparation talaga, promise, hindi siya ganun kahaba.
To look through.
Yeah.
That's what you
Exam yun siya. Yung pinunta ko doon is exam ko sa aking life test sa UK para citizenship. Hindi siya ganun ka-easy yun.
looking at the sausage stamp.
Mummy,
What?
you put it in the bin.
Yeah, they do that sometimes. Inside the bin.
Carpet for the McGann, you know the carpet?
Inside the bin. Yeah? Ako'y mag-print sa kubi. Just wait, I'm printing something. I-print ko yung aking
Can you print?
ito, napasahan.
You can print
Sa gym. What? What print? Okay, mag-print lagi si mami.
something for me.
What do you want? Take your shoes off, please.
Why?
My line is so busy. Okay.
What is that?
Ala, tutoy.
What is the line for?
My boobies.
What the line for? Mommy, what is the line?
Ay! Wait sa'yo, sister, ba't ka?
Okay. Wait there.
Gigi. No. You wait with sister, ba't?
No. I don't
So,
like
Then?
honey, someone's wanting to go on my butt.
What do you call on it?
I like. Look at my new hands. Look at my
What?
new hands. What line are you doing?
What is that?
Why it says, I payment daw ko, no?
Huh?
Norton, 600. I didn't do payment everything.
Dear user, that's not even your name on there. It's a
No?
scam. Yeah.
Ay, sinakamura. Ayan na, nag-print na ako. Ilagay namin to sa aming mga documents. Ito yung resulta sa aking test. Kaila ko kanina, Wiki. Hindi tayo maka-apply ng citizenship kung hindi natin to napasa. Is this it, honey? Hello. Yeah?
Point of mission to be your life test.
I just
That's
printed
it. That's
it.
what they want, the number. There we go.
Yeah, because they will check if I pass or fail.
Yeah. Good, yeah.
There's the bottom.
What?
That's the city.
Hmm?
See, level required. That's the it's got congratulations. That is the
Yeah, it's got your name, it's got the thing there, and it's got that number. So it's just proof, isn't it? So have you done it? So yeah, the proof is there.
they can check it, mana. Congratulations, this is certified that you reach a level required for obtaining indefinite Elgin May Lawless.
Yeah? No, I'm busy.
Finally guys, sa wakas, inyong Inday